And the bag that I'll be reviewing for you today is
I never miss really need a fix now. You hard to impress, but nobody can resist. Grab me while I kiss on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, my name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. So from the title below, you guys can already tell what this video is about. And yes, I'm super excited to be unboxing / reviewing this bag for you. So Highfoot is a company out of China, and they do sell high-end replica bags. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please stick around. To all my new subscribers, I see you. Thank you all so much for joining the family. I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, I do have a coupon code that I'm going to share in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. With that out the way, let me jump right into the video. So this is the beautiful bag. I can't wait to show you guys. I already threw away the shipping box that it came into. You know, that was only a brown regular box. But the bag did come in a Chanel box. And the bag that I'll be reviewing for you today is the Chanel 19. And this is a beautiful bag. I chose the perfect color. This is my first bag in this color actually, and I'm loving it. So this is the Chanel box, and the box is so durable. It came with the magnetic flap. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but that is beautiful. So inside of the box, I did get a shopping bag. So this is the shopping bag that the bag came with. I also got their business card, and it is highfoot.ru. Also came with the ribbon, the receipt, the famous rose for Chanel. It came in a beautiful dust bag, and this dust bag is a drawstring. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me take the box away. So this is the beauty, you guys. I did take a peek, but I didn't unravel it totally. I left a little something for you guys so we can do it together, you know. I didn't want to be selfish. So this is her, and this is beautiful, guys. This is the Chanel 19, and this is the small. I love the color, you guys. This is so beautiful. So let me go ahead, and I'm going to take the wrapper off, and then we can get into more details on this bag. Guys, I know I'm always leaving a little bit of the wrapping on the bag just so I could do that on camera with you. But unfortunately, guys, I cannot do that anymore. It takes forever. This bag was so well packaged. But with that out the way, let's get back into the review of this beauty. Again, this is the Chanel 19 flap handbag, and I love this beautiful color. It is so beautiful. Let me give you guys a close-up. I want you guys to get every intricate detail on this bag. I'm loving the smooth texture, really large poofy quills, absolutely beautiful. Let me give you a view of the back. Beautiful bag. And this is the side. This bag is gorgeous. I'm also loving the antique gold hardwaring that's on here. It is so beautiful. Look at the Chanel logo, guys. This lock also turns to open, and I'll show you that in a while. In the back, we do have a large back pocket. Let me show you guys that. So this is the pocket on the back. Very good size. It also snaps to close. I'm also loving the top handle on this bag. Also came with a longer strap. The only thing is the strap is not detachable and it's not adjustable, so it's as is, but nevertheless it's a beautiful piece. I love how the antique gold transition into the shiny silver. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this two-tone on the handle and the strap. So beautiful. Love, love, love. So this bag you're able to style in 3 different ways. You can always take this bag as a top handle like this, or you can also take it as a crossbody bag and also as a shoulder bag. And for the shoulder, you have a leather padding, so that will bring you extra comfort on the shoulder. Love, love. Bag transition from the antique gold, and then it goes into a shiny silver, and then into kind of like a matted silver. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. So on the top handle here, can you see that? This is kind of like an antique silver, and then on the strap it is a shiny silver. And then we have the vintage gold. So beautiful. Let me go ahead and show you inside of this bag. Let me take out the padding. Also have the CC on the flap. Beautiful. I love it. On the inside, there is the fabric material, which is so beautiful. I also have a tiny pocket, and it has the logo Chanel, made in Italy. I hope you guys are able to see that. Let me give you guys a close-up. We do have a inside pocket. There is only 1 compartment in this bag. Oh, there's stuff in the pocket. Let me see. I did get a card. Let me see if you guys can see that. It says Chanel on there. Let me open it. Okay, so I'm seeing the authenticity card. And then there is another card on here, also says Chanel. Okay, just a little booklet telling you how to care for the bag. Guys, every single details was added to this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this bag. In the front of the bag, you also have the Chanel logo on there. So beautiful. Overall, guys, I'm loving this bag. This bag is so beautiful. The color is everything. This is actually my first blue bag. I've never had a blue handbag before, and this is just stunning. I cannot wait to rock this beauty for you. I'll also show you guys how I style it with different outfits. But guys, I love it. Thank you again, Highfoot, for sending me this beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. I will cherish this bag for a very long time. The material is durable. It is so strong. I can just see the quality on this bag. Brings me to the end of this review slash unboxing. I hope you guys love this bag. If you guys are interested, don't forget to check them out. I will have all their information listed in the description bar below, and also I do have a coupon code that you guys can use to purchase one of this beauty. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.